Preactor contains a variety of tools to model shop floor capacity. In this review, we will take a look at Preactor's primary calendar feature to control resource availability, efficiency, and how to adjust resource calendars using calendar states. For demonstration simplicity, a model has been pre-configured with calendar states and a pre-made calendar template. Let's start by taking a look at the Gantt chart window. The light green colored sections represent first shift with an efficiency of 100%, and the yellow sections represent a second shift at 50% efficiency. Between these shifts, a dark blue short break is added where efficiency is set to 0% and setup cannot be performed. The lighter blue diagonal pattern sections are off shift, and the solid white sections are on shift. These states can be modified and created in the Calendar States window. Here, schedulers can create or adjust calendar states to model scheduling requirements. By adjusting the color options and patterning, calendar states can also be adjusted visually to help them stand out on a busy schedule. We can use calendar states to create daily or weekly timelines within primary calendar templates. We will be looking at the working week template for this demonstration. We now see a 7-day span with alternating first and second shifts for the first 5 days, and an off shift period for the last 2. The starting point for any calendar template is determined by the reference date. In this case, we've used a Monday at 12 a.m. A walkthrough on template creation can be found in the description below. We can control resource calendars in 2 ways. The first is to apply calendar states directly to a resource's primary calendar. Component assembly and final assembly are good examples of this, as both are set to use a default on-shift state. If we expand the primary calendar for component assembly, we can see this setting. The second option is to apply templates like the working week example shown. This allows for dynamic control of resource calendars. One primary calendar template can be applied to many resources, while still allowing the scheduler to manage resource calendar exceptions independently. By opening the primary calendars for Metalworker 1 and 2, we can see both have the same default template applied. From the Metalworker 1 calendar, we can apply an exception to override the default template in use. I've set a breakdown in place that can be seen on the Gantt chart. Calendar control in Preactor is a versatile and powerful tool, and hopefully this overview has provided you with an informative look into how to make use of this feature. Thank you.